folks, it's Speedistevie video time again. Here's a video from Airbus about the production and delivery of the 100th A400M aircraft. This is a major milestone for the A400M, which to date has been provided to the military forces of France, Germany, Malaysia, the UK, Spain and Turkey.
My heart beats for A400M because it's an amazing aircraft.
For me, it's another synonym for performance and agility.
I'm very proud to be part of the team who has achieved this milestone.
The key is the people who support the program.
I feel really motivated and really proud participating in this big journey.
We are a great team, and to achieve MSN 100 means that we are doing great, and we have to be proud of it.
It's a fascinating challenge, and of course, I really feel proud of being part of the family that made it possible.
It's all about passion and big work.
The team is eager to go forward. It's very motivated to do the next steps in order to be more efficient.
Our team is very proud to be part of this program, and we look forward to start working on MSN 200.
It's so overwhelming when you see this big aircraft in the air.
It's a fantastic achievement of the team, and I can only appreciate what the team has done here. Absolute fantastic, outstanding.
That's it for another Speedistevie video. Subscribe now.